Graduating mechanical engineering school at Cal Poly, I knew that I really wanted to work in a field where I could see the work that I was doing, be able to work with my hands, be doing serious engineering work, but also working with people and causing good in the world. And when I graduated college, it was hard to find that kind of opportunity. I looked in a lot of traditional places, but I ended up finding it with Prakti. Prakti is a really cool company that works making biofuel cook stoves for the market of poor and disenfranchised people in India. I didn't really know how big of a deal cook stoves were and how much the health effects really impact the world and the smoke impacts the ecosystem. But I actually connected to Prakti off of LinkedIn through a friend that I knew from middle school who had joined the company recently, and I saw that it was an incredible opportunity to work for a really cool company with a very diverse coworkers from around the world, some working virtually, some working in person. I would get to move to Thailand and work in the lab in Thailand and work for the CEO who left his corporate America, like Silicon Valley jobs, to work on cook stoves 15 years ago and now is, super recognized in the field. And I would also get to travel to India and actually really see the impact of the work that I was doing and help install these stoves into people's houses. Prakti is really doing some incredible stuff. But to me, what's most important is that I'm really happy doing the work that I'm doing. And I think it's really important that people graduating college or in the last few years of college really think deeply about what's important to you and what they really want out of a job. For me, it was working hands-on, working for something I could really believe in, and putting a change into the world that I thought needed to be there. Prakti actually has some cool open volunteering opportunities. Right now, we're expanding significantly as we're releasing this new product in India. The new product is really cool. That's what I've been working on. It's a unit that goes inside of a traditional stove to modify it and to make it much more efficient, much less smoky, much better for people's health. Prakti is leading a really interesting new wave of the kick stove sector that's thinking a lot about the consumer and thinking a lot about the culture of the consumer, right? Because we're modifying people's traditional stoves, we are not forcing them to move to a different kind of stove, which would force them to change the food that they cook, the pots that they use, the fuel that they use, the taste of the food, all these things that traditionally designers are just trying to force their solution on. They come up with a really good solution and then they try to force it on the customers. But we're taking a very novel approach to the design and really doing deep customer analysis and understanding what people really want and how we can get the benefits that we really find necessary out of a stove to the people that really need it. If you're interested in Prakti, you should check out our website. I'm proud to say that I helped create this website and help manage a volunteer who was doing some of the heavy lifting of the website. And you can join our mailing list on our website. You can donate on our website. You can also just like this post or share it or whatever with your communities. Really awesome. Want to inspire people to think about what kind of profession they want to go into as well as promote this cool job that I'm doing. So yeah, thanks.